in Ghana, and see, if you try, we'll kill all of you. Found some soldier for. If you try any coup d'etat before 7 January and after 7 January, we'll kill all of you. I said, baby, I'm a gas in Ashisha. Hey, Mami Weni Abainwe had an intention to destabilize Ghana. They wanted to run down this country. Me na me catch it. Upon Koko. Hey, easy way away. Bossman Asare, Jane Mensa, Bossman Asare, Tete, Wang. Woman na, woman Abainwe to Kese. So man, we need election we are. O mess say o mine. Me na me catch it now. NPP never dreamt of what happened on the 7th of December. Mena me catch NPP knew someone when he by any and so much lose that. If you say January, February, March 2024, Maham was leading. April, May, June, by me overtake Mahama Kitwebi. So they thought they could capitalize on that. But not yet. Any the echo. But who call ye online now? Who ye? Professor Stephen Adai.
Yeah, Stephen Adai, sure.
Or say, one Mahama Bo Mudina so mbeye oral no.
NDC sympathizers.
When we now we are competent.
Yes.
Then how the some NDC sympathizers? How? Or no NPP sympathizer? None do bonding. Okwaji
no, you also call Ghana National Development Authority.
It's your person say.
Commission.
The MPP sympathizing, you know. Hinder the competence ana.
So call your mind, Nejuma.
And to me, say, or call one and all ye nanado sympathizer no. Or call ye no.
Oh, ebia.
Oh, you see. Anyway, we are the politician bar or befadi unim no. And that ye juma, but say a fat ye nim would the wood sack or ye juma we are. A ma nipa no found in San Sifom. And a crop ya Santico to go to for say to a baby, a catcher na pose, Emma Baumia, Ununu.
Sure.
But me can be asked about me when you know what so far apple.
Oh, sir.
Oh, check.
How?
We are no Mahama-Nana, Lomutini, John Mahama-Nana, we are don't Ezu, Eza.
But I don't choose one you.
What do you say? Yes, share Ghana politics as in the Fourth Republic. Party only party called contest. Be anyone running mate. A promotee.
The opposition.
Opposition.
Napo. And they true.
Napo said Ezu Eza 79 times.
And this is for class on mayor plug their channel. So now,
17 okay, Ezu 79 times. Napono. Opo Mahama 28 times. Oh, promoted John Mahama. Yes, say okay, something you John Mahama. So what they are looking 101. But me, I still believe say Napo and listening. Onye people need that.
Oh, MPP.
Napo intentionally decided to run down the MPP's campaign.
How?
Oh,
no, Harry Magua.
Oh, no, share on
goes.
What you said, Napo, NDC? Me na me catch it.
Napo.
Oh, Jai.
Ufra Pejefi.
Kewo Jai.
No, Fane.
Kewo. Man, for 7 man, be analysis no my deep.
But to be able to say no, Fane.
Napo, me say, inside his heart. On your MPP, me na catch it.
And Nipo Kuta, why energy minister, why education minister? And
Kofi Asante. Jerry John Rawlings time, no fee, Western region, no ye MP, obey energy commission.
So I don't know that.
One would ye,
but we
did DMP, yet see another for resigning or resigning ye. No, oh yeah. Energy committee chair, our parliament. Or resigning energy Kufafano, energy commission secretary.
Oh, but Napoye Jenny.
Oh, Debbie.
Napoye 3-time member of parliament. Oh, Mensa no.
Am I ready here? Me catch so and the plane. Joan Kujo, Papa na contesting the
Peter Kwachaka
MPP ni. Many ni.
No MPP. Oh, no MPP. And buy and this is for Munyam.
Peter Kwachaka, while renouncing the MPP party card.
Wafango.
Oh. Besides what call. Or the command.
Kwachi.
Constituency executive manager in MPP party card. Bisano.
Kwachi. What a team.
The same say. Kwachi. No MPP parliamentary candidates.
I do be any.
And no Lusui. And no yes, see one time. Eba NDC. Pa! No be NDC. Pa! No be MP. One time I do so we didn't have contest. I went to know. The way you behave. Obi behave to say I don't prep.
The petition the
oh.
The petition wa pala.
Yeah, my cousin we are chopping. Crow here.
Only obi a sign in there ma.
MPP, NDC and NDC, MPP4. Met me at show baby. One we are NDC4. One we are MPP4. Any MPP4. One we are NDC4. But I mean, can't want someone there. Yes, I said electoral commission. Oh, Mammy, we know, Mammy Jane A. Mensa.
Addo Mensa.
Mintimi Mweno.
Abamebamo.
No problem. Madam, to be honest with you, it was not something to just mock you. I can't pronounce your middle name. That's me.
Say it in there. Obona uti kura enye ofom so because enye okasa.
What I say? So I was just breaking the syllables.
Yes, Addo Mensa.
Met me aboni ye, but still I know it was wrong. And you say, my shada say no.
The friend Jane Addo Mensa.
So Jane A. Mensa.
Untumi mo
Addo. Untumi mo say kwai.
Addo kwai.
Mensa one or two. Eti eno ano no. Hey, Mami Weni Abai we had an intention to destabilize Ghana. They wanted to run down this country. Me na me catch now. Upon court. Hey, easy way or way. Bossman Asare, Jane Mensa, Bossman Asare, Tete, Why, woman na, woman Abai way to Kese. So man we need election we are on best say o man me na me catch now upa jidi upa jai no me fa upa jidi upa jai hesa woni ukromo hini hia na ono ankasa hyese ye modua na ohun so ukromo hini akotokosua e de snap abonten edimirike ko wura himfia busense na adan
abo bia ko wo
yes eti so ohun so ukromo hini ebu ne mra so a let's say Marano share no ontimi ndi so. Isi weni aban we nya ya ke Kwesi meja togana bibia ye basa na man ya sei na o matimi atena so. Soja ni pani bi wa krom ha wudin A and F na dikan wa woni mu R twato. Opani uniform na show no ye tax and ye de to share wo ye careful. I'm telling you. Her time, Same Jemfi, Eka Brigadier General.
Yeah.
Opoku Asam Ashanti region.
Yeah, sure.
Me, General Opoku, minimum pa. Onye just say obi a minimum keke, say ye di agrobi keke. No. Say the channel radio so, TV so, no. I have known General Opoku before Nana became president.
Sometimes now, what are MPP ni?
I have known General Opoku, Brigadier General Opoku, before Nana became president.
Party member.
And watch this and listen to me carefully. You could brunya, but person more information in answer could brunya. Hey, or no? Any AFFOR. Sandy Pami anyway one. No money dream power Ghana. I'm telling you.
Opoku.
Yes. Okay. Don't allow a politician to use you as a security officer. Oh, so when you allow yourself to be used by a politician, let's just say, one man who can that down, even though you are in a uniform. Once a time that Sami Jemfi, you were that when I called.
Yeah, sure, yes.
I said, what is Sami Jemfi saying? But listen, Ghana for Toboas TV. I want you to take your time. 22nd December. Timi.
And then 23rd.
23rd.
Yes, sure.
Abaiwe na onye ready da so be hand over power to John Mahama. Asamna na Addo kan no mpanifo hia ne dem no mka chensa wo kan kwasi asem gyan ntem nundi. That is why when he came to Ogbetoto, he came to say that nipa bia Ghana for beto abama no obe hand over. It was a lie. I knew that was a lie. But I also to Ghana for to to abani tia omo. But they never wanted to hand over. When himself Monday, some people were planning a coup d'etat.
Monday,
last
week Monday.
Yes. Monday, some people were planning a coup d'etat.
Oh, soldier for
okay. When him say, then one the shares on me your friend is saying recoalition. You were there when I placed the call.
Yes, sure.
Someone won't call. When the person I am telling you today. The person now say, now NDC supporters in TACHIMANHENE. So I kept saying, someone tell me here, I can say, oh, woman negotiate. Woman negotiate.
Yeah.
Woman negotiate. Because the information I'm picking from Kumasi, any Bema camp, it was not good. What is a man can't some upa fa upa jai. Eti one plan in and say NDC supporters them must say up our various recoalition centers now. One by dispatching military officers, no more shooting through the crowd. It is over here. That man no more recoalition. No. That was Saturday.
Yeah, Saturday. Yeah, sure.
Friday and Addo. One more deploy over 1,000 military officers. So I'm going in.
Soldiers for them.
No, Friday and Addo. There's no war in Ghana. There's no coup d'etat. Just an ordinary recoalition.
But so just to ensure peace.
Oh,
as you dream,
the whole elections in Ghana police to me here. So 9 constituencies near this soldier for. And look at this. They carefully selected MPP military men. They wanted to rely on national security for them. One of them maybe a man big. As some and then some as a yapun show, you have no idea.
But national security for me, Filimo. Oh, me Filimo pa.
Me, everyone my bida. Tete for you, mano, my bida. And then I make catch on my bida.
There be a mecano. Crime near expiry date.
No, tete for me, my bida, my bin fear what tree. And to be share national security not to trouble, no, for 2 abi. O did you hear? None yam or to did then yam economy.
We share national security no cock basu traffic.
Interior Minister. Oh, my bida, fear, para what tree. 80. The strategy was that Yenjai and Wamunjai NDC supporters no mass up. Our recoalition centers no. It's the NDC supporters now you guys didn't know what was happening. Munyabutre. Ye bomonkwa, ye pemonkwa. Echen tumi. Eti je the ukwa the winning that board come Abraham ne nyash. They come by and say, sir, supporters them must say up or what? One ma MPP for no coin. Now, woman to be winning, because it's no one winning. It's not true. Mammy can't request some snow. Me, I made dog for Pamilia Bema, me wa Faketwa, Patrick Bama, Oluzui. Patrick Lusu seat no. But also, I can say, I am a ya.
Yeah.
Sir Patrick and Lucy.
Yeah, sure.
Even John Mahama. And yes, Sir Patrick and Lucy. Yeah. This is the kind of heart that Mahama wore. And that's why I love that man. Mahama wa kumebia, media dibia. Hey, the love is still in there. You know what happened? So when we pick the signals, antennas, many JBD and now, we were roaming around, hopping from this location to that location because Papa we mantel na me Romano. Te se me kire no.
That day near the bear 349.
Near Nam. Then I picked the signal, say, hey, some peniphobic percent. We destabilize the country, no. Why? Because encophobia area on my way seeker influencing some military officers. Because when we say I swear Mahama in 7 January, trouble about him. I'm telling you today. And when we jay, and ra, ebinum ko bonda say, ekwaye plan. I was there watching you guys. You are funny. No more bonda say, I was watching you. Me have this, I have stress. I say, these guys, what are you people doing? Coup in Ghana, obwa, and see. If you try, we'll kill all of you. You found some soldier for. If you try any coup d'etat before 7 January and after 7 January, we'll kill all of you. Because anybody, I'm gas in Ashisha. We'll kill you and your girlfriends. I'm telling you, I swear, on the last drop of my blood. We'll kill all of you. Say yes, swear Mahama me donya me try and see. Mahama will be sworn in on the 7th of January. Now also we are soldier near. Go somewhere, plan a coup d'etat. I swear on the last drop of my blood, we will kill you. Madam Katina, mo I am winning me here, when me diagro. Me say that Ghana for me hunipa me ye no home. Na me wenyane. It's winning. Abraham, they went to Bondasi to plan again. That they will not hand over power. But let me finish the first one. It is like NDC supporters who go and what's our mom penny say declare title a year. Your friend is saying
Patrick Boama. I'm not on prayer. Yeah. Because what was say parliamentary leaders, no, they don't usually lose their seats. Yeah, sure.
They lose primaries.
Yeah.
So it was a big blow and a disgrace.
To another prayer
and the MPP because when we did the same thing here, Honorable Abraham Osedu, Tamoma Natoshi, 2008, Okotu ni ya, Chairman Samuels Bekasa, there's a coup d'etat.
Yeah.
Palace School, SU MPP. It's a moment when they say, NDC, any clear 2/3 majority. Yet the 9 Kokanwa, Abroso, Kwaneka,
Obini, Wada for Obini.
A bad hard the sana tear the ya yantwi break isi mrane kire say the osha abatwa so constituency mu declare results ni wie o declare winner e declare parliamentary candidate ya one winning winner we are the aka
that's CI 127
then na isi betran kan aka so obaye no fofo
e bin see that
obaye recollation
e bin see that
adintra. So this is what happened. It's a NDC supporters in say Apple Koha. It's almost distribute soldier for. Hey, yes, and then you'll be the soldier. I to assume. Pepe. The Kumnipa 2030 says, I say to Atoma. President did choice, and so declare state
of emergency.
Yeah.
Yes, where Mahama in. That was the strategy. It's a picky signal. I'm saying, we have Bessie Yanko. Yanko Mama. Yeah, boy, and this is penny for the Biaman, they didn't believe us. I'm saying, okay. Now, we to car. Smoby waterful. Kuma say so on quarterful this location. Wo to car. From Asimesi a wunim no. Ko this joint e Obema camp. Wonsu to car. Ko dansoman this joint. Ko hwade. Ko isi. Wo obi o isi a. Mo fi say mo beti agi information fi ho a frɛ no e hwade. No honey, I'm friend say, Captain, we want to meet you wherever you are. I'm so well, ye di fufu. Fufu netra is so sad. Me, I've told you whatever you have to do. Look, I'm telling you today. Saturday no. Maybe the year check me. Na and near me say we no na. They never wanted to hand over power. They wanted to use Saturday. Ye check me. To kill about 10, 20, 30 people. Pepe. No, be a question them. They are my president. They declare state of emergency. There's a whole state of emergency. president ebe lift sa ban no. Nti say e koduru 8 January ebe de ebe so Mahama in. What I say? Ah? Hey, Mama, me the sesame ye be for you to become president-elect in my area. Mo amu protecting Mahama no. Mo ye the security for no. I am telling you, watch this. Yawada ebe, wherever he's going, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, baby Mahama be kobiano. Se security for the 10 mo ye 30. Me ma come as you. Me I'm telling you. Me catch them. Oh, fine. One fine. This week, we are yen the whole week, or even between now and 7 December. Say post 4:30, soldier 4:30. The bedi the year, money 50-50. Because the last option is to eliminate him. Me, I'll tell you. The last thing is to eliminate him. Or to cause a serious security breach at the camp. Now, I didn't get them. Adia, Nema, Wawa, a plan is a heinous crime way, Esro, a diplomatic corner.
Yeah.
Ambassadors, no, Kwano, Mahama, or Kwana, Hobium. US ambassador call on Mahama Sere. Bomb komo omewie wapam microphone media ni nefrio on Mahama shedem abonkomo. And let me tell you, when people were saying America supporting Nana now mo yebesre, the American administration, American government, Joe Biden supported John Mahama. I'm telling you today, Canada, John Mahama, even UK, no Musa Akufo do ho they supported John Mahama. Eti edu baby a wo musuro MPP for the calculation. And we said no, you try international community no ntiase wo mo de external forces beba. Some of the external forces be do chrome ha. One be come and people in foreign and they are all afraid. Addo amadi ya Gaddafi dun kabi be sigana. Kadana do team, Baumia team, Napot team, chairman for team, soldier from Penifua. Omudins and Huni Obia team. They were eliminate all of them. So they are afraid now. But Omi before. Heard the black man is the most dangerous Homo sapien on earth. If you don't know, I am telling you, the black man is the most dangerous Homo sapien on earth. Bibini, or ye dangerous chain ni pebia nyame bono. Mama can't have rofun suro yen young boy ye bra ye because ye dangerous. What the other two chain? I can't just almost call. And I was watching you guys. You guys are funny. Hey? Hi, Kwan, when you're 79 years back. It's what tell me here. And this is supporters now. Mumpeni for catch up some among calculation center one of some Montiaseno. And yes, Supreme Court, I dare be a hole. And yes, I'm going Supreme Court to you. They are not air banon yet. The air banon. Ye ni a boy, man, every minute. It came all of a sudden, Mobian Coalition Center. You think it's an easy thing?
To a point, said that Fiamma Ponomu Naka said,
we are not going to be part of this. Then they left.
Yes,
you think it's just a joke? It's not a joke. MP say what parliament say only some more fight. Say NDC MPs the boa. Now more approving tax waiver of $350 million. Let me sit here and tell you, MPP, any pana, one more edge tax waiver, one more $50 million a chedi. It's in Nippon more pressure. Say, hey, what do you see? Can I tax waiver in my most move here, Ben? That is why MPs no led by Afenyi markets when you are brave. Say tax waiver. Watch this. Then I will catch them say, Abraham, any nyash. When we hear tax waiver, obi oton that here, iron rods.
Here tax waiver.
Obi oton iron rods, so here tax waiver. Opening ya edu dinka, ye careful. Be careful. Corona yetimu ye now. Obia soon to be ye she. Iron Ross, ya digi tax waiver. No, we know what beton aboarding at the Amay. Maybe Afenyi Makins is not aware. He's been directed to lead. $50 million from Magia Chedi. A quart. It is a tax waiver and qua. Padino. Aboka. Oba Monte Bebu Di Papa. Ora for Besum. It is Shadio. Ghana for Bosuma Ketia. You bet you in January, February, March. MPP, MPs,
even the swearing in ceremony, crab budget to crowd. I can't be.
What I said, hey, tell me, Sikana, Yadebes, Independence Square. Says Independence Square, says you.
A hot time,
but what you say, Sikana, Yadebes, baby, ever swear in John Mahama. Ah? What was your mouth? Because ye say obi akra iron rods. Ebagana babe ton. Etua egusu no yenyi na mfiri so. No ntimi meton engine mfaso. Wa bra wo kra ambulance. Now so de beche abanya ye see tria duty as a way ye akoche. Twi hu mienu Ghana for. This is the kind of MPP. Nye MPP ni now this crop. This kind of MPP a deadly brigade. Eti Sika yedi betua Ghana for adwuma ye for ka January, February, any March. MPP MPs ne say wo mo approve. Say MPP for twene wo ho no be 2028. O masa baba beju vote. Wallahi la. We'll be in this country. We will see what will happen. Meaning just seat be na MP NDC ageno. Meaning seat on be lose in 2028. I can mention them now to you and the difference. Maybe your elections conform. Meaning seat MPP beje o ma back 2028, but still NDC be majority. Yemfa and that discussion no ye be no 2027 January. Yemfa no tonchen. Say ya me no ka say. Wo MPP for so mo dwene ho ampampa. Really? And I will boss market ya January, February, March. Almost so more approve. Nemum obi okọ kranda de iron rods. Yema the tax waiver. Now we san ko ton aboarding as what me sidan dem. When you are there MPP MPs no enti bidika ayo e parliament. Say NDC MPs na mpene na ya anye sa tax waiver no. Ah? And they almost want to approve sika. You never say Independence Square. Maybe you never swear Mahama in. Jay, what MPP for we able to them? You can't some Ghana for one person meet. I saw this coming, and I ran away from that camp. Kwame Nkrumah saw the UP, the things they wanted to do, and he ran away from their camp. Share. It is a say I'm no kase. Woman JMO. Any slightest opportunity, they will stabilize this country. But the unfortunate thing is that for them, they say, senior military officers, no, more than 60% and supporting women, so they can execute,
including the CDS.
So they can execute. CDS is in Yanem you be coup Ghana, coup attem. CDS your host is your pompe pra. Hey, okra, yamin shroud. What if said that police officers are involved? There are police officers involved. Once all of a sudden the IGP is quiet, the man is not happy. He doesn't like what is going on. IGP only CDS Ghana I assume you know and Twaso. And I told you that is why a deputy IGP was appointed for Dampare to use Tete Yohonu for silly political gimmicks. And Tete Yohonu, me, I'm telling you, what an amendment in penny for fear this is not true. Have you forgotten before the meeting you held before you were appointed? Me can say Madam Parentina Coup. That is not my case. I am not John Mahama. And I can't go into John Maham and Trim, no Mamma Candy Shem and Fam home. But at your home, you actually relegated the NDC. Odo party card kochre. With the MPP party card kochre. Dues are what here. So don't come close. Let nobody deceive you. You can pay all the monies in the world. But at your I am telling you, Sa Jalel Nkola na ubua omwano. So I'm going to destabilize the 27 constituencies. No? The list is there. Last week, Friday, me bubo dinibi. I'm one fool. I have it. Don't dare ask. Because on my way, no say I don't have anywhere to go. Mini be ako. Into my way, boss team. Kwajo me wiem. My brother baby here. Into me penny. Huh? Tete you can stay cool. Shasuna Kwesi umami. What in the IGP Kwesi umami? For deputy IGP umami. I'm telling you. Because enema ekos wo suma sese no. Jinyame ne yen. Ubua wo. He? Ne nsam ne ebi wo wa yentimi nka. Ba wo de ma me fa to asema bi ani na ma. Let's put it somewhere. If I don't know. Now, isi no wo say no. Electoral Commission adwin papa ni wo mutirim. That day na omo yo press conference na ma me na address ya na adwene yet shirt so. Me catch us boss man asare the way we see atre baby in the shirt no. The man was not happy. Boss man asare he's a friend. But let me tell you, he's been pushed to the wall. He's got nothing. I can say, okay baby, I made you wumi am me dodo. Mama nye de open mouth. Ne jam me minimum. But Wanasari, he's a fine man. Left to him alone, ka ade we na adwo na kokko.